Welcome to waterco.com, a trusted plumbing resource.
Today we are going to review 4 best water-powered sump pump. Number 1. Basepump HB1000 Pro, Premium Water-Powered Backup Sump Pump. It is one of the best water-powered backup sump pump on the market. It comes with a high water alarm, battery-powered, hydraulic float system, higher pump capacity. Number 2. Liberty Pumps SJ10 SumpJet Water-Powered Backup Pump. It has quality mechanical components, ideal pump for a backup system, efficient performance, doesn't waste any source water. Number 3. Basepump RB750 Water-Powered Backup Sump Pump. It has some great features like straightforward installation, high pumping capacity, durable materials used in the making, highly reliable and longer-lasting performance. Number 4. Zoeller 503-0005 Homeguard Max Water-Powered Emergency Pump. It is good for occasional use. Medium quality components. First-gen models were better. Relatively cheap. Thanks for watching. To get more in-depth review, check our blogs at waterco.com.